Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I'm here at CVS, if you could tell from the background. And I'm really not coming here to coupon for anything, but I'm really just coming to see what they have on clearance, because I noticed that there's a lot of clearance tags. So I'm going to take you guys to the store, show you things that we have for clearance. Some things may have coupons, some things may have rebates, so you can save even more. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the subscription button right below, as well as the bell right next to it, and let's jump right into the deals. Okay guys, you want to make sure that you're checking your food and beverage section, because there are a lot of drinks that are on sale. Here we have the Silk almond milk on sale, and that is 20% off. It's regularly $3.89. It comes down to $3.11. Then they have another Silk on sale that's 50% off, but they're all sold out of that, so I can't show you a picture of that. Then they also have some Ocean Spray cranberry juice that's 25% off. I wouldn't get this. I would wait. Well, my store's all out, but if your store has it, I will wait for that to go like 50 or 75%. Here's some Perrier water, and it is the 8 cans, and that is regularly $8.49, 20% off. Comes down to $6.79. Again, I will wait on that too. I wouldn't get that. That's only 20%. That'll go lower. And then here's the bottles of Perrier, and you see those regularly $3.49. It's the Perrier mineral water, and that's only 20%. I will wait on that too. But one thing that I wouldn't wait on, that I would get if you're interested, is the Gold Emblem seltzer water. That's $1.39. It's 45% off. Comes down to 76 cents. So I would grab that if you need seltzer water. And then also the Club soda. Again, remember, it's the Club brand. The Club sodas are 50% off. Those come down to 59 cents. I would grab them. And then here's the Gold Emblem ginger ale, which is $1.39. Regularly 35% off, comes to 90 cents. If you're a ginger ale drinker, I wouldn't wait. I would grab those also. Now here they have these Bloody Marys. Those are $8.79. Comes down to $6.15. If that's something you like, I would get that. I wouldn't wait on that one either. I don't think that that is going to last very long. Then they have this Voss water. It is a 6-pack. Here you see right here. Okay. And these are actually 50% off. They're regularly $19.99. They come down to $9.99. If you're a Voss water drinker, I wouldn't wait on those. I would get those too. I don't think those are going to last very long. And then if you check your I don't know what they call, water enhancers or whatever, there's a bunch of different ones that are on clearance, so check that section because you can find some deals on those. And then I'm going to come down here, and they have the Arizona tea water enhancers. These are 40% off. They're regularly $4.19. Comes down to $2.51. That I wouldn't wait on either. If you like that, I would get that now too. For those of you who like protein bars, here are some protein wafers. These are 75% off. They're regularly $2.99. They come down to 74 cents. So that is something I will grab right away if that is something that you use or something that you need, because at 75%, most likely they're going to go fast and they're not going to be here for too long. Here is a Philips Magnesia product. It's regularly $14.49, and it's only 20% off. If this is something that you use, I would wait on this until this went to like 45 or 50% off. But if you happen to get this now, make sure that you submit your receipt to Fetch, because there are some rebates on Fetch. Not everyone has all of them, but you just may have one of them. Okay, here is some tea tree oil. That is 75% off. Not this one, but this one. This one is 75% off. It's regularly $27.49. Comes to $6.87. I think that's a pretty good deal, and if you need that, I will get that. Then here you have some blood stop band-aids. These are good for people who have to stick themselves with needles and things. They're regularly $12.49. They're on clearance, 75% off. They come to $3.13. That is a good deal, especially if you have a CRT, like a CVS First Aid CRT or something. That should qualify for that. Here's another great deal. It's the Witch Hazel cleansing cloths, the singles. Those are 75% off. They're regularly $8.79. They come down to $2.19. I'm going to grab these because I normally buy the regular witch hazel, and then I turn around and buy the cotton balls. And then, so now I'm making 2 purchases, but this is all in one. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those in my cart. Then here you have the alcohol swab sticks. Those are 75% off. They come down to 87 cents. That is a good deal, especially for first aid things that you need. Here are some Manuka honey adhesive pads. I can't talk today. Those are 75% off. They're regularly $9.99. They come down to $2.49. That's another great deal to get. Here's 2 more items that's 75% off. First, we're going to start with the Lice Eliminator. That is the CVS brand. It's $12.49. At 75% off, it comes to $3.12. And then you have the CVS, what is this? I don't have my glasses on. This is the comb and things. That's 75% off. That comes down to $3.19. So, I mean, I know a lot of kids have problems with lice, so that would be something great to get. Here's something else, 75% off. It's the Band-Aid Hydro Seal Acne Blemish Patches. They're $7.29. 75% off brings them down to $1.82. Here are a bunch of cleaning products that's on sale, especially the Microban. Here's the Microban spray. Why can't I talk? It's 20% off. And then there's some more sprays that are 20% off. I wouldn't get these, but that's totally up to you. I will wait for these to go lower. You might be able to print some coupons off the website. I haven't checked, but these aren't low enough for me to get yet. And then here's some Total Home cleaning products. Again, I will wait on the spray that's 20% off, but if you needed the disinfectant and this cleaner here, those are 50% off. But again, I probably wait because it's a little pricey to me for CVS brand. I will probably wait until those are like 75 or 90% off and get them then, if they're still here. And guys, be sure to scan the items in your store too, because they may be lower at your store, or these price tags may be wrong. I'm not going through and scanning everything. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on my knee today because I'm just now getting out. But here's some more candy that's on sale. Here's the peppermint Starlights, 25% off. I will wait on those. And then there's some gummy sharks that are 25% off. I will wait on those also, because those are probably definitely going to go down lower. It's just a matter of if you can catch it or not. Here's some Girl Scout Thin Mints Almonds, Gold Emblem brand. They are 50% off, regularly $3.99 down to $1.99 if you like those. And then here's the electronics section. As you guys can see, there's like tons of electronic things that are 75 and 50% off. I'm not going to go through and show you every single one because there's so many. But if you're looking for some headphones, any type of wires, earbuds, chargers, you might want to come check that section out and scan a bunch of items and see what you could get at a good price. Guys, something else that they have, and I'm actually grabbing this. This is a huge bag of Epsom salt. You can see it's a 6-pound bag. It's a CVS Health brand. So it is 75% off. It's regularly $7.29, comes down to $1.82. I'm definitely going to get that. That's the last one, and I doubt if they will have any more. And I know you guys see this Angel Soft toilet paper. It's not on sale. I'm just getting it for someone, but it's not on sale. And here's a bunch of sleep aids that are on sale. There's a CVS brand sleep aid, 50% off. There's the smaller bottle for 50% off. Here's some more that's 75% off. And then there's some that's 50% off. Here's another one that's 50% off. So check your CRTs to see if you have any coupons, any CRTs for that. Here's a midnight sleep health aid. That one's 75% off. And then here's the Pure Z's, which is 20% off. I wouldn't get that yet. I will hold off on that. Here's some melatonin. That's 50% off, CVS brand. I will hold off on that too. Unless you have a CRT that you can put with that. Here is some AmeriCare arthritis. That's only 20% off. I will wait on that along with the arthritin. Both of those are only 20% off. Those will probably go down much lower, and you can take advantage of that when it goes to a lower price and get a better deal on them. Here's a good deal that I most likely will be picking up. I gotta decide. But here, these are the I cannot talk today. Ibuprofen, CVS brand, Ibuprofen PM. They are 50% off. They're regularly $7.99. They come down to $3.99. So if you have like a CVS pain CRT, you might want to grab those. Here we have the Summer's Eve cleansing cloths, and it's only the green one, guys. Those are 50% off, so those come down to $2.09. And then here you have the vitamin C, CVS vitamin C. That's 50% off. Here's some more CVS cleansing for 50% off. You have Vagisil spray, $4.54. Those are 30% off. I will wait on that. If you need the Estrovan, which is the menopause relief and sleep, that's 75% off, guys. That's $4.62. If you need that, I will get that now. I wouldn't wait on that. Then we have here some organic tampons. Those are 50% off. Comes down to $5.39. Check your feminine care aisle. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of things that are on clearance, but they're all sold out except for this one in my store. So you might be able to get a good deal. Okay, so I'm home. Here is my receipt. You see, I only got two things as I stated in the store. I got the Dickinson's wipes, which were $2.19. Look, guys, they were regularly $8.79. And then that huge bag of Epsom salt, that's actually a 6-pound bag, guys. $7.29 is what it regularly was, and it came down to $1.82. So my total was $4.01. And of course, I used a Fetch. Is this one I used my gift card on? Oh, I guess I didn't. I paid out of pocket. So go ahead and head to CVS, pick up some clearance items, come back, let me know which ones you get, let me know how you make out, and until the next time, keep on saving.